What up y'all, it's Dom and these are my top 5 things I hate about the Leica Q. Number 1, the video is basically unusable. It's absolutely awful, old technology, bad autofocus, don't even try it, it sucks. Number 2, probably the worst part of it, the camera is not weather sealed. I'm constantly stressed about condensation and moisture getting in and destroying the fixed lens that you can't replace. Number 3, the size and weight is just big and large enough to be a little bit inconvenient. The lens sticking out the front and the size of the body, yes, it's small, but it's definitely not pocketable. And the full metal body, yes, it's very quality and it's gonna last you a long time, but you're gonna feel it on your shoulder, especially if you're walking or hiking all day. Number 4, the burst mode locks up really quick, takes a long time to clear that buffer, and continuous autofocus is pretty slow and misses a lot. So if you are shooting any type of fast action or kids running, this is not the camera for you. Number 5, any type of crop in and digital crop in post is gonna leave you with a pixelated, mushy image, and that's because the 20 megapixel, this is an older sensor and it just doesn't give you enough data to crop in heavily. So if you want to get something like a 50 or 85 millimeter, this is not the camera for you. You better be good on the 28 mil. That's all I got for being a hater. This is actually my favorite camera and my daily carry. Absolutely love it. If you want to see my full review, check out my channel and hit that video. Peace.